Hi friends, in this video I'll demonstrate basically energy meter, as we have seen many videos on my channel regarding energy meter. So what is the special about this video is in this video I'll just show you two values. For example, in case of current, as you know that there is basically a magnitude and there is a phase angle as well. So in this video I'll show you that the voltages as well as the phase angle of each quantity like voltages and current, and I will also try to plot it as well. As you can see, the LCD that I'm using, that is 20 yeah, 22 20 into 4 LCD. So I have designs little bit to demonstrate those values in a polar format. Okay, so let's run the simulation. So in this is basically the voltage part, sensor part, and this is basically the current sensing part, this one over here. And these are basically different loads with different angles but same magnitude, so that I can show you that how difference in power factor will affect its phase angle. And this is basically the part which will measure the phase angles, and then this part is for the power factor, and this is Arduino, as you can see, which is connected with the LCD display. So if you check closely on the phase meter, so this is basically the voltage is 222 volts, and voltage's phase angle is 0. So I have taken the voltage's phase angle as 0. So for example, you have to take some reference point. So in my case I have taken the voltages as a reference point. So if there is any other signal, so you can also take its angle with respect to voltages if you want to check its value. So on the other side you can see the amps, that is 2.22 amps, and its phase angle is also 0. And the reason for that is the phase angle between current and the that of voltage is 0. So that is why we are getting the maximum power factor, and this value will show you the phase difference between the voltages and the current. So you can also see the polar shape as well. So this is the, you can say, the y-axis, this one is the x-axis, and but there is also a bar over here. That bar will basically tell you at what angle, so the angle is 0 degrees. So that is why the vector is basically placed on the x-axis. So let me change it to position 1. Okay, so as I change it into the position 1, you can see that the voltages values remain the same, current values also remains the same. The voltage's angle is 0 degree, but in case of current it is 18 degree. So this one is its power factor. You can also calculate, cos 18 is 0.95. So the phase difference between voltages and current, that will be minus 18 degree, and you can also see in the polar shape as well. So in the next step I'll just start increasing its value so that you can check it. Okay, so in the second case, as you can see that this is basically a little bit of tilt. So the in second case, as you can see, the angle that is 36 degree, the power factor is 0.81. So if I start increasing, let's make it 54. So in case of 54, you can see that the power factor is 0.59. Now make it will maybe 72. Okay, 72 degree. So you can see that it is basically have been go beyond 45 degree. So now let's make it the maximum value. Okay, so as you can see, as I have make it to its maximum value, the vector is basically, it's showing a 90 degree. So that is why the vector that was placed at initial state on x-axis, now it is basically aligned with the y-axis. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel for more videos. So thank you guys for watching. If you need the files like the schematics, simulations and codes, you can send a mail on my mail ID. I will provide my mail ID in the description of this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.